everyone, it's Karen. Thanks for coming back. I am here for a couple of reasons. I did make things, but I had done my alternate paper pumpkin blocks, and I was doing all these alternative ones, and I did a bunch, and I was so excited because I haven't been able to craft much, and you know when you get in that rut. So I was excited because I just got 2 more paper pumpkins. So I'm going to be able to go step by step on how I did my alternatives, and that will be exciting. But I am also here today because I got my 2nd month at Crafters Companion. So last month it was all about edgeables, which are her dies, and they cut on the edge of the paper. And this month it's about sparkle, and who doesn't love sparkle? So this is what the box looks like, and I will twirl you down and we will have a look. All right. Put my glasses on because you can't see me. Oh, hang on. Sorry, I forgot my Diet Coke. All right, so sparkle. Over 130 elements in this box. It makes a minimum of 24 cards. So here she is with all of her little pep talk she gives everyone. And you know, it all comes wrapped in nice tissue and a little thank you note. And here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Well, let's go one by one. How about that? Okay, so this is a major stack of little card blanks that you can decorate all you want. And we also got some colored cardstock, which is in the cute little size also. Let's see what colors we get. All right, so yellow, really light pastel, pretty. I would call this maybe a rose color, a salmon possibly, a little turquoise blue, and Sarah's and my favorite, which is purple, and I guess there are 5 or 6 of each color, so that's fun. Put those out here, and we have card blanks, which are probably like 3 by 3, I think. That's my technical guess. And they are just the blanks for the cards, so I'm assuming that they're just, I don't know if they're a whole solid white color or, oh, they're on nice paper. I wonder if this is watercolor paper. Very nice. It's like smooth, but it's got little bumps in it, if that makes sense. Oh, and we've got the envelopes to go with these cards. And these can also go with those cards. Look at that. And the envelopes. And, oh, watercolor card, which is what they call it over there, card. What we call it is cardstock. Oh, these look like they have, hold on. They have some kind of resist on them to watercolor or to use the sparkle pens. And this seems like it's a square. I think you can see that. This one is a bunch of butterflies. I think you can see it. The next is, this says be beautiful. So be beautiful. We should all do that more. This one is roses on each side, blank in the middle. I love this resist. This is great. And this one says, work hard, dream, and never give up. Oh, I guess it says dream big and never give up. And then this one's a little heart. It's adorable. All right, we've got more watercolor cardstock. It's great. So it's just so smooth, but it's thick. One side seems to be a little bit, you know, more rougher than the other side. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. I guess a dozen of those little watercolor cards. These are perfect for that thank you note or a quick note you want to just jot down for someone. Oh, and here's another one, watercolor cardstock. Oh, but wait till you see this. This on the other side. Look at, it's all drawn out. I bet you could use your Copic, her alcohol markers, or watercolor. Her watercolor markers also, because it's nice and thick. This one looks like a Sweet William maybe, or a Butterbell. I forget what they're called. This one is balloons. This one is a sunflower, a butterfly, and last but not least, a cupcake. Fantastic. Let's see, paper strips. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Oh, I guess they're just to put sentiments on your card. Oh, but they feel like they're the watercolor also. Yeah, I guess that is too, and there's quite a few. I guess to go with all those cards that we were given. Let's see. Ooh. All these go perfectly with them. There's the flower. Oh, hang on, let me get you something white. Whoa, almost had one of those, why are you drinking a can at the table where crafting is going on in moments. All right, so you get hello, live, thanks, and sweet. Then there's the, no, I love you too, honey. There, okay, you gotta get down. Sit down. Oh, okay, hold on, sit down. The cupcake, the flowers, the butterfly, and the sentiments. There those are. And let's see. And here they are. The sparkle pens themselves. These are like the Wink Stella, gosh, I can't think. The Wink Stella markers, but these I think are better. I think you get a lot more glitter. You get it the colors that it comes in, and if you put them side by side, which I don't have one right now, they're a little bit smaller than these. And I think if you look side by side, maybe I'll do that next time I do one. I'll do side by side test to see which one does have more of the glitter in it. But that would be interesting to find out. So I love these, I do. Let's see, so this tells you basically how to use the markers or the pens. And I think everybody knows by now that you take out this ring, unscrew it, take it out, screw it back up, and just don't put this back in. Then you shake it and push it a couple times on the table, and you're in business. Well, this was a great box. I love all the watercolor paper, because if you don't really do it that often, do you want to go out and buy a whole pad of it? And this is a great way to try different things. Even small cards, that's something you don't, I don't anyway, think to do with that much, but I can see they'd be like really great for a quick note or to the teacher or to something. So that was a great box. And she just does such a nice job. Not that Stampin' Up, you know, they do great too. And I'm so excited that that just came in, because I was saying on my last video that I just started, I was in a slump. I didn't know what, I couldn't seem to make anything to save my life. So I just kind of stared at it for a while, and eventually I just started going. So I can show you my some of my alternates that I did. This is a new one that I did that was after my last video. So that's new. And this was another one. You open it like this. And then you tucked your little middle cake up there. And then there was this one that I used the paper that has all the tags in it to use. And then I had done this one using the envelope and the twine. And then there was this one, which I just liked it simple, and I didn't want to put hooray on all of them, so I'll save it for a birthday card, something like that. And then there is this one, which looked like a little cake shop to me. And I did do this last one the other night, and I kept it all black and white so that that could pop up. Come on, that's cool, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. Probably tomorrow I'll get that all ready to do. But I want to say thanks for stopping by, and I'll be out there again, so stop by. Have a great night.